Welcome to telaHosting. If your website is showing a not secure warning or a broken padlock after DNS migration, you're probably dealing with what is called mixed content, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. So what is mixed content? It happens when your website loads over https, but some of the files on the page, things like images, scripts, or fonts, are still loading over the old HTTP. The website sees that mismatch and flags your site as not fully secure. After a DNS migration, mixed content issues are very common because old URLs are still cached. Website files still reference the old HTTP links. The site's URL wasn't fully updated to HTTPS. External resources were hard-coded. SSL was added after migration, not before. This doesn't mean your migration failed, it just means a few cleanups are needed. Before anything else, make sure SSL is actually installed on your domain. telaHosting offers a free auto SSL for any of our hosting plans you purchase, and we already have a video on how to enable it, so do well to check it out. So go to DirectAdmin and confirm that your SSL is active, because there is no point fixing mixed content if SSL isn't even running yet. Once that is confirmed, open your website in Google Chrome, right-click anywhere on the page and click Inspect. Head to the Console tab. You will see warning messages pointing to exactly which file is still loading over HTTP, things like images, JavaScript files, or CSS style sheets. These messages tell you precisely what needs fixing. Also, for your site configuration, make sure the base URL is set to HTTPS, not HTTP. If the root URL is still HTTP, mixed content warnings will keep coming back no matter what else you do. Next step is to go through your actual website files, image links, GSL files, CSS backgrounds, external fonts, and replace any links that start with HTTP with HTTPS. Better yet, switch to relative URLs like /file.jpg, which avoids the problem entirely in the future. If you're running WordPress, go to Settings, then General, and update both the WordPress address and the site address to HTTPS. You can also use a trusted plugin to scan the database and replace old HTTP links stored there before migration. While you're at it, check any external resources you're loading, fonts from third-party providers, analytics scripts, ad networks. If any of those external services don't support HTTPS, remove or replace them. Once your content is cleaned up, go into DirectAdmin. Open Domain Setup, select your domain, and enable Force SSL with HTTPS redirect. This ensures everything is always pushed to HTTPS going forward. Then clear your browser cache, your CMS cache if you have one, and any CDN cache. Reload your site in incognito mode so you are seeing a fresh version. Finally, use an SSL checker tool or your browser console one more time to confirm there are no remaining missed content warnings. When the padlock is back and no warning shows up, you are done. Missed content after DNS migration is completely normal. It just means a few URLs haven't caught up with your HTTPS setup yet. Align your DNS, SSL, and content, and your site will be clean again. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe for more web hosting tutorials like this. See you in the next video.